Cuties to tease. Hi friends, welcome to Cuties to Tease. Today we are going to see how to easily put book cover for all of your school books. So for this we will need the book cover. I am taking the transparent book cover and then scissor and stapler. For labeling the book we will need the label and pen. So let's start. First let's take the book cover and spread it over on the place where you're going to put the cover, and next let's keep the book on top of it. I'm using the transparent cover. You can use any cover for this technique. Next let's cover the same cover on top of it. Make sure you leave a little gap in the side of the book. Next let's cut it properly after overlapping the cover. Now next we got the cover main important item. Let's make this tight of this side, the closed side of the book. Now in the open side, take the cardboard part or the opening cover of the book and leave the paper inside, the cover inside, and fold it properly. It should be tight so that it looks good. If it's very loose, then it will not look very uh, proper and it's going to look little messy. Next let's do the same thing in the below also. Now make the book proper in both sides. It should be the same size in the top and the bottom. Let's make both of them proper. Next let's take the scissor and cut out the corner of the cover. It is the place where the closing of the book is there, not in the opening side. So now we'll be easily able to fold it inside. So that's why we will cut that place. It is not very important that that part should be cutted nicely, but then you should cut it roughly to make sure you don't cut the book. Next let's leave this cover inside one by one. So in the top part, properly just fold it and again crease it properly. Even over here it should be tight. If it is loose, then it's going to be again not looking nice. So now we finished leaving this, folding this top part inside. Let's do the same thing in the bottom also. If you want to also watch some more videos on the back to school arts, we have also uploaded another video on how to make a pouch in your home. So we will put the link in the description box below. You can check over there if you're interested. So now we finished folding all the sides inside the top cover of the book. Now what we are going to do is make sure that all the sides are perfect. So how you can check that is open the book fully and then you will get to know whether it is loose or tight. If it is loose, crease it again properly. Now you will have a corner, two corners you will have, one in the top and one in the bottom. Fold that inside and make sure the point in the corner is sharp. So now we should make this in all the corners. Now we finish making all the corners folding. Now let's join the side of the book cover and the corner which we have been folding now and staple it together. You can also staple on the cover of the book together with this cover and the cardboard, but then I'm not going to um, uh, put the stapler on the cardboard. I'm only going to put the stapler on the cover. Now we finished covering the whole book. It is very easy if you practice it. It will just take some 1 minute to cover one book. And now let's start putting the label. I'm going to stick the label and write the name of the book. May I always stick the label in the top right side corner of the book, because that will make sure that the book looks neat, and also it will be a perfect place where everybody will get the attention. So now I'm writing the subject of the book, and that's all. We have finished covering the book. You can use this same technique to cover any kind of book, like art book or small notebooks, any kind of notebooks. It's not only in this kind of notebook. So we will meet you back in another interesting and helpful video like this. Until then, bye bye from Kutties Chutties.